Hi, my name's Tiffany Beers, and I'm providing you with footwear innovation insights for the FDRA's footwearinnovation.com. Now, I know coffee is very important to some members of the FDRA. And so today we're going to talk about XpreSole, which is an interesting company that is taking spent coffee grounds and turning them into shoes. So they have a shoe right now on Kickstarter, and it has a sole, upper, and insole, outsole, upper, and insole that all have coffee grounds in them. Now, to be specific on what exactly and how the coffee ground is in there, they don't detail out, but they do say on their Kickstarter site that it's going to be $194 at retail. Now, this shoe has some really interesting benefits. First, it's kind of a slip-on Vans type looking shoe, and the features that are in it, besides the spent coffee grounds from 5 cups of coffee, it has water repellent, fast drying, moisture wicking. They say it's super lightweight. It can do odor control and has UV protection. On top of, which I think is the most interesting feature, aromatics. Yes, apparently the shoe smells like coffee. Now, I don't know what to do with this. I don't know how that works with, regular shoe smells and feet smells, but it does have aromatics in it. So this in and of itself is kind of an innovative thing. I don't recall too many shoes that have intended smells with them. So the goal of this company is not just the aromatics. It really comes down to an environmental play. So they're hoping to minimize the amount of spent coffee grounds in the landfills. They're also wanting to limit the amount of methane, so CH4 CO2, of course, and their carbon footprint. Now, again, you can find these on Kickstarter. There is a bunch of different funding options where you get percentages off. And like I said before, you're going to need it because they're $194 at retail. So what's the innovation here? Well, like we said, it's aromatics for sure. But it's also taking a very interesting environmental aspect in terms of using spent coffee grounds, which are totally just thrown away and put in the landfills, and you reusing it into material. It reminds me of the chewing gum shoe that would reuse chewed chewing gum. So is this something you can apply to your shoe? Is aromatics something that could be interesting for your consumer? I'm Tiffany Beers, providing you with Footwear Innovation Insights for the FDRA's footwearinnovation.com.